Hello, friends, and today we're making dirty spaghetti. Now, you know there's nothing dirty about it. It's packed with crisp vegetables and a creamy meat sauce. Here are the ingredients, along with seasonings for a pop of flavor. Let's get started by preparing our veggies. If cooking at home is your vibe, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Okay, so we're going to finally chop our peppers. I'm using a red and a green pepper, but you can use one of each color if you like. Plus, chop up an onion, 4 cloves of garlic, and put it all in a bowl so it looks cute like this and set aside. Make sure that your water comes to a roaring boil before adding in your pasta. Meanwhile, let's cook up some ground beef and Italian sausage. Now, ooh, that looks so good. But if you don't like ground beef, you can add in ground turkey. If you like ground turkey, put in some ground turkey. It's all right. It's going to take a little bit for this meat to brown up and cook down. And our spaghetti is ready, and let's rinse it with cold water. Now we're going to mix in 4 tablespoons of flour. It's going to make our sauce thick and creamy. Add in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. And let's put those colorful veggies right back in there. Look at that color pop. It looks good to me. Now, does it look good to you? Let me know. Let me know down in the comments. Let's add in 3 cups of beef broth. Let's put in a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and a tablespoon of Italian seasoning, a tablespoon of Cajun seasoning. Look at that thick sauce coming along. It's thick and creamy. And add a tablespoon of Adobo all-purpose seasoning. It smells so good. Looks like you want to taste. Now we're going to mix the spaghetti into the sauce. And it's ready. It's ready. I got you. The recipe's in the description.